right here, so. But a long time for me, a boy, me come at them place here. Where you can see it for yourself. 1926. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in Lacovia. Yeah man, they are right behind the police station, close to the Lacovia bridge. And, you know, sometimes we have some concern of the bridge. You know, a lot of people drive past them bridge. The bridge don't have a railing on it. And it's my concern to show the people they want to go and travel in the area. You know, say, we have a lot of people traveling on the road, coming from Holland Bamboo, Black River, also from Santa Cruz, and we travel on them road every day. And you know, lately, about a couple months back, you know, they have a major accident when a van run over the bridge. Yeah man, a gentleman was driving and he just got over the bridge. I don't know what really happened, but he lost his life, and also I think his stepson saved from that accident. So guys, tell me what you think about this, what they can do about this, and leave in the comment section. More a video if it go viral, make people them swag one, because we just feel like something to do that video today and show the people them want to go and watch travel upon them road there. And also if it be safe. Even the Lacovia police station after Hurricane Melissa, you have a gully, them call it gully. Yeah man, so the road kind of tear out, and a lot of motorists, they kind of feel distressed about that some of the time, because anything can happen. Sometimes people cannot drive and forget say the road did kind of mash up this or so. They not pay attention and they can run off over the road same way. So tell me what you think about this, my beautiful people. Yeah man, so as me say, yeah man, so this, I'm showing you the landmark right here, so. So I go on here. We all know that shop here, so before we go up on the old bridge, right? Right here, so. So I go on. So I don't really know how much years them shop here they here, so but a long time for me, a boy, me come at them place here. Yeah man, see it like destroyed by fire since lately or a long time. Don't know the facts to it, but you can see a lot of coal. Yeah man, see it there. So now I go and see them way. Before I take on to the bridge section, just to show you the area, guys. So stick and stay and so I go on. And the tour guide Fire Reid this, you know. Yeah man, see one more. Them building there a long time. Yeah man, so this is one of the gully them. Anytime rain fall, a lot of rain, them places are always full of water, debris coming from up the police station side. Yeah man, so I'm going to take you up there and show you what I go on, but I can't up on the bridge first. So I'm going to stick and stay and see what I go on, no? I see where you can see it for yourself. You can see the area how when water pass through, you can see how it set. Look upon it. You can see a lot of water pass through them areas here. Yeah man, so stick and stay. We're taking it to the bridge side. So big up anyone I watch from. Big up on yourself. One love and one arm, my beautiful people. Yeah man, so this is the Lacovia River. So this river, I think it goes straight to Black River. Yeah man, back in the days, I don't know the reason why them call it Black River. Maybe because they used to cut a lot of logwood up here, so you know, say logwood can give the water a black look, so it goes straight into Black River. I don't know if that's the reason why they call it Black River. So yes guys. Yeah man, see right over there, so over there so is the old bridge. So that bridge over there, if you're coming from the Lacovia Tombstone side and you're going to Santa Cruz and you make the right turn on this bridge, it can take you all to Burn Savannah, Mountainside, Treasure Beach, also to Slipe and back to Black River if you take it through in the Slipe area. Yeah man, so you across the bridge and people. Till I say place kind of feel hot, you know. Yeah man, so this is the old bridge. I go walk on it. You see what I go on. So you know say a whole heap of ears them bridge are. So you know say you need for repairs and stuff, you know. So anybody who know the bridge and know history on the bridge, just leave it in the comment section. Yeah man, so you can see me say 1926. Yeah man, see it there? 1926. So here's some people. So I'm taking you to the new bridge. Really new bridge still, but this bridge take you from Holland Bamboo, go straight into Santa Cruz, them place there. Yeah, so this a bridge take you from, you know? Yeah man, so I'll show you what I go on now. So this is the thing I talk about. A lot of people drive on this every day. Come from Santa Cruz. Vehicle that come from Santa Cruz. So it go to Holland Bamboo direction now. A lot of people drive them road there. As you can see. this is not safe for all the road users. You know, we have kids who walk on the road, so there's no railing on the bridge. And I would love to somebody could look into this and make you reach out to any higher authority to see what go on pan Lacovia Bridge. Yeah, man, no stay good none at all. See there? Yeah, man, so as I say, a few months back, you know, so the van overturned right here and go straight over in the water. And you know, one life. A lot of people lost them loved one right here. Don't know what's really happened, but things do happen at times. So we have to be very careful. See there? And trust me, so when the people them are come here, so a speed. So anything can happen to people. And you think if you have a railing right here, what you think could happen if somebody ever get out of control? What you think could happen? You think the railing could make a difference right here, guys? Let me know what go on. Leave in the comment section and tell me what you think. Yeah, man, see it? Yeah, man, them place here. As we can see it. That's my concern. Just want to send out that video to all of the people who travel in that area. Just be safe. You know, sometimes rain or fall, road kind of slippery when wet. So be caution when you're driving on this road, guys. Please, I'm asking you. See a sign over there, so feeding the nation. Welcome to Northwest St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man, them roads are kind of busy, very, very busy. So we have to be careful on our cross them road. Very, very busy. Yeah, man, go down on the corner down so you can take it to Tombstone area, to Holland Bamboo. Yo! No, no. Come boss. Yeah, man. Boss, I'm ready to say, think I don't want other person still, you know? But, yes, the paper, as me say, I saw I go on, I don't know how the bridge has stay. And we love one travel upon it like every time. So we have to be careful on the road and safe. So I look out for my people, them, you know? One love and one heart.